Good morning guys or good PM. Nandito kami sa Sandpiper Beach ngayon sa Loret. Swimming. Last swimming sa summer bago pasukan. Yan. Yan. Diyan tayo papasok guys. Yan. Yan. May kasirola akong dala guys. Yan. See? Ito yung Sandpiper Beach. Ito. Ito yung iyan parang Mitchell. Yan. Bago kayo pumunta kayo na Maring Island. Yan guys. Nakahanap kami ng bagong tambayan. Yan. Nakikita namin si si Maring Island. Wow. Guys, be careful ah. Malakas ang alon ngayon guys. Kaya nandiyan si Maring Island. Maring Island. Ayos lang Maring ka eh. Ninong! Hugs! I miss you too!
Anong dala nyo? Lamesa?
Mga pagkain lang.
You guys wanna go on the
Si
wall?
Baki nandyan ah. Nandyan sila. Yan guys.
Saan ka tayo pupuso?
Hi Clark!
Hi.
Ayun, nagkakainan na kami.
I watch your.
You watch my video?
No, I only watch the new ones in the beach.
Where? What? Hi Baki!
When we're in the house.
Kain kayo, kain.
Kain.
Masarap.
Kain na paring Mitch.
Tomorrow. I'm cold. I'm cold.
You going back to...
Monday. Monday is your first day of school.
Tomorrow.
Going back.
You're going back. Ate Chloe, you need to eat first.
What?
Ba't magkatulog na po na?
I have years of training.
Yan guys, malakas ang alon ngayon. Malakas ang alon. Okay, okay.
Can we go over there?
Not too far, it's okay. Here na lang ate yan. Yeah.
Follow me, Nino.
Oh, enough na. Only here. So that I can catch you when you only here, huh? Okay. Nag-i-enjoy ang aking mga anakis. Don't go too far, guys.
I know how to pass the waves now.
Yeah. It's
Yes,
guys, look. It's very wavy.
What's this? Wait, do it.
What's that? Mahangin ngayon, guys. Hindi maaraw. Maalon ngayon, maalon. Look, nakikita mo sa background, maalon. Say hi to my vlog. Tell them to please subscribe and like.
Yeah, and don't forget to subscribe my Lakai Tracker.
Yeah?
It's this
Lakay
one.
Tracker.
Yeah, that's my dad's YouTube.
I know, right?
This is.
Your dad have a lot of subscribers.
Please subscribe.
With Ninong's channel.
With Neil's channel.
Yeah.
And my dad's channel too.
Yeah. Guys.
Oh, the waves. Oh. Oh, the waves. Oh, oh,
How about dancing? Ate, dancing kay ate. You're a good dancer with Bakia. Ate Chloe, enough na there na. Come back here. Ate Chloe. Maglakad-lakad tayo guys. May nakita kaming ano, for sale. For sale yung property. Hello! Yes!
Nina, can you open this? I'll hold the camera.
Hold on, I will video you first, okay? Just hold it for now. Thank you.
Hey, you should open it. I have a for sale.
Yeah. Yes! Come here! I'm just looking this one. For sale. Yan, mga kasama ko, mga batutay.
Nina,
Yes!
Nina, can you please open it?
Okay, I will open it.
I can open it.
Ate Chloe can open it.
Chloe,
Yeah, may for sale. Titingnan natin yung for sale, guys.
look.
Actually, maganda dito mag ano, mag-beach yung mga bata. Yeah. Diba guys, maganda. Mga kasama ko dyan. Baki, come here! Tignan natin si Austin.
Nina, yun na yun. Can I go first?
Austin, kumain na yan, be.
Hindi pa.
Alam, baka.
Nina, ay.
Guys. Austin! Austin! What are you doing, Austin? Ate, what are you doing? Yeah? Yeah? What's that?